Hey buddy, yesterday I received this letter from my friend ANEES, but I don't know how to read. So can you please decipher it? Can you explain it to me? Yeah, I can. Okay, that's great. Take it then. Dear Shahab, I am so into Alia, but she doesn't reciprocate. Instead, she despises me. I am so into Alia means I love Alia so much. She doesn't reciprocate means she does not love me back. She despises me means she hates me. However, I will still tie the knot with her anyway. Means I will marry her at any cost. Dear friend, don't disclose it. Don't disclose it means don't tell a single word of this conversation or this letter to anyone. Let it remain between us. Means let this be a secret. If you weren't my true confidant means Razdar, I wouldn't have shared this matter with you. I wouldn't have told you about this act or this matter. Dear Shahab, I am so into Alia, but she doesn't reciprocate. Instead, she despises me. However, I will still tie the knot with her anyway. Dear friend, don't disclose it. Let it remain between us. If you weren't my true friend, if you weren't my true confidant, I wouldn't have shared this matter with you. That's all what your your friend has written.